Hey guys, welcome to my video. So in this video I will be taking you in my campus. It will be essentially a campus tour. So let's start. So this is the main gate of our campus. As you can see, this is the gate from which cars and buses come inside the campus. So just adjacent to this is a waiting area. It is fully air-conditioned waiting area, newly constructed. So, and this is essentially the map of VIT. The building which you see on my left side is the library. It is called the VIT Central Library. And this building, this is admin office. Here all the departments related to fees, hostel fees, and all the administrative operations are done from here. Over there is our Indian national flag, and okay, so we are going towards the library. So essentially, this is Sunday morning. So Sunday morning, it is around 7 o'clock only. So the library is still closed. Otherwise, I would have taken you inside. I will tell you. See, this is VIT Central Library, and it is of 3 floors, and you can find almost every book which is related to your curriculum, and in fact many other books which are not even related to your curriculum. So next from this is this administrative building. So in this building, as I told you, everything which is related to your fees, your hostel fees, your mark sheets, your transcripts, you can find, you can collect it from here only. Okay, so guys, I will be posting a separate video for my hostel also, so do check it out. So if you are a upcoming student of VIT Chennai, that video might be helpful for you. And other than that, the most hot question I would say is regarding the placements. So I will be definitely posting another video regarding placement processes and what is the placement statistics in VIT, so I will be letting you know in detail in my upcoming videos. So please stay tuned. I would take you towards the boys and girls hostel for first years. So after taking a right turn from our library, we reach MGR statue, Dr. MGR statue. So you can see that this statue circle is also very beautiful. It's the boys hostel for first years. And yeah, as you can see over there, a white color building is being constructed. It is called Mahatma Gandhi Auditorium. So that auditorium has seating capacity of around 2,000 people. Store, so we can get some milk products over here. I will let you know what all things they offer. So this is the menu. Okay, so let's move on. Yeah, this blue hostel is called C block. This hostel is called B block. Okay, and this is girls hostel. This is boys hostel for seniors, and boys hostel for juniors is just behind this hostel. Yeah, girls hostel. Essentially, VIT has a good healthcare support in campus only. So here we have a health center. Okay, so this is a health center, VIT health center. The small building, yeah, this building, essentially I'm purposely covering half part of that building because it is confusing to see both these buildings, that where they are joined. So yeah, this section of the building is called AB1. Okay, now this section is called canteen block. So it is an old canteen block. One of our canteen is over there, and Okay, and the building above that, this building, the highest building, the building with maximum height is boys hostel A block, where all the students, where all the boys of second to fourth year stay. Okay, so we are on the way to AB1. Okay, academic block 1. This is VIT cricket ground. Look at the greenery. There is no corner in VIT where you cannot find trees and grasses. Absolutely no corner. So we are standing in front of AB1, academic block 1. Here various labs and classes are held for first year to fourth year people, and the classes, and there are classes which are held in AB2 also, as I told you. This is AB1, and so that is the cricket ground. So next to the cricket ground is a tennis court. I will let you know the tennis court. And apart from tennis court, there is a football ground. There are 2 football grounds and 1 hockey ground also there. And there is 2 basketball courts. Okay. And one of the court is just in front of boys hostel, and I will let you know about that. Okay, so let's go towards the canteen block. This is our newly formed North Square. So here you can sit with your friends and relax. So in North Square we have some shops. Okay. You can get the tea and samosas and snacks over there. This is the Georgia coffee, famous Georgia coffee. This is AB1, and this essentially is the canteen block. Canteen is on first floor, and on second floor there are some cabins for teachers, for faculties. So here you can see that there is a branch of Indian Bank. Okay, with ATM. So as you can see that this shutter is there. Okay, today is Sunday morning and it is only 7 o'clock. So this is closed. Here branch is there. Okay, on right side, and on left side is ATM, Indian Bank VIT Chennai. Okay, and apart from this, yeah, this is Foodland, and it is known as V-Mart. So essentially you can buy groceries and all your toiletries from here. Everything is available, from soaps, detergents to snacks. Building is newly constructed building. It is solely for entertainment purpose. So on the ground floor essentially you can find a gym khana. So that gym khana has various dishes with lots of snacks, with lots of main course options. Okay, so and lot of juices also are available. Next to gym khana is Domino's, my personal favorite, and who doesn't love pizza from Domino's? Okay, so you just have to order from app, okay, and come over here and collect it. That's what I do actually. Otherwise, apart from this, you can also sit here and enjoy your meal. Okay, so yeah. On first floor there is an upcoming gym. Okay, and next to gym is Chai Gali. I will let you know what is Chai Gali. This is the Domino's. This is the Domino's, and this is Chai Gali. As you can see that Domino's is closed because it is only 7:30 in the morning, and on top is Chai Gali. Behind and just adjacent to Domino's is Gym Khana. Okay. We are essentially in front of A block boys hostel. This screen that you can see is a projector screen. So every Friday and Saturday there are movies. Some days there are South Indian movies, and most of the days there are Hollywood and Bollywood movies. Okay, and yeah, so this is A block. This is the movie theaters. I will not let you know what is special about it. Okay, so it is essentially an open theater. So you with your friends can sit over these stairs of A block, and enjoy the movie. Okay, and yeah, this is a basketball court. It is just in front of the A block, and as you can see the greenery. See the greenery. Okay. A block is of 15 floors. Okay.